Geeqs Testing Framework is live. Let's play. To access Geeqs Testing Framework, simply open a browser and type into the URL bar simulator.geeq.io. Here you'll be presented with the simulator. Let us examine the initial information presented before you start the simulator, which can be done by clicking the Start and Pause button here. The panel is laid out with the user's accounts on the top row. On a real blockchain, of course, there may be any number of users, so what you see here is merely for convenience and space. Notice these users may be anonymous and may not even be people at all. Let us take a look at the User Configuration tab. On a permissionless blockchain, the user's account might belong to a person, a business, an IoT device, an institution such as a bank, or a very app-specific account, like the one you might have in a game. This can all be configured right here. The second row is laid out to show the nodes. Notice they have their own accounts. This is because, instead of competing for fees at Geeq, every node gets paid automatically through Geeq's validation layer when it does honest work. So each node has its own account that, of course, is owned by a validator. All accounts, users, and nodes are only identified by their public keys, which are generated each time the simulation starts. In real life, the user provides the public key. Geeq has no idea who has provided that public key. The public key is a long string of characters which will be generated by your wallet, and the account number is a transformation of that public key. Aside from each account's initial balance, that is all Geeq needs to know about the initial users and nodes for that blockchain. Geeq is a multi-chain platform and can validate each blockchain separately and efficiently. So let us look at how a blockchain gets started on Geeq. Every blockchain anywhere starts with a genesis block. In this case, the genesis block for any blockchain at Geeq is signed by Geeq Corporation's private key. Since no one else knows the private key of Geeq Corp, that guarantees the genesis block contains the official validation mechanism that Geeq has invented to provide reliable, secure, and dependable blockchains that are able to function without any further interference. We'll take a look at what the other unique features are in the Genesis block in the next video that have made Geeq completely unique in solving the decentralization, security, and scalability puzzle. Thanks for watching, and be a geek!